In this tutorial, I'll show how to find documents in Next. Next comes with several tools to find documents. I'll show how to use folder structures, search forms, Google-like search on metadata, and full-text search. In Next, you can use the well-known folder structure to find documents. One folder for each supplier, each employee, and in this case, for each customer. To find a specific invoice, I start by locating the relevant customer, TED Japan. The folder on TED Japan contains 361 different documents. I'm looking specifically for a sales invoice, and I know it's from January 2016. Now that I'm down to 10 invoices, it's easy to find the one in question, number 384333. Here it is. If you frequently search for customer invoices, it may be easier to have a favorite search form just for that. Invoices by customer, TED Japan, beginning of January, end of January, and here you go, the 10 invoices. Or if you already know the invoice number, then use invoices by number. Invoice number 384333 and go. Here is the one and only invoice. Search forms are fast and easy to use. If you are slightly more advanced or simply do not have the search form you need, you can do a Google-like search for all the metadata associated with your document. Search TED Japan invoice 384333 and search. And yes, there is the one and only invoice. Finally, let's take a look at full-text search. I don't use full-text search for structured documents, such as invoices. But for Office documents and emails, it's brilliant. How else would you find the email where your customer accepted a 2-week delay delivery? Accept 2 weeks delay, search, nothing. Include full text, search again, and yes, here's the email. And Next even does full text search in your attachments. So if the acceptance was in a PDF or a Word document, we'd find it anyway. But just as with Google, full text search often returns way too many hits to be usable. As a true unique feature, Next allows you to combine the full text and structured search forms. Customer dialog by customer, TED Japan, accept 2 weeks delay, go, gotcha, here's the email. And no false hits by the millions of other documents in the archive. Time to wrap up. You saw how to find documents in folder structures, using search forms, using Google-like metadata search, and finally doing a full text search. And most importantly, you saw the winning combination of search forms and the full text search, finding the right document in the blink of an eye, even among millions of documents. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.
Multi-Support, making good business run better.